Hello everyone! Welcome to this video. I am your math teacher for today. I am Ma'am Remalyn Bacud. Before we start to our topic, let us first have this activity entitled Translate Me. For the first verbal phrase, we have a number x subtracted from 5. If we're going to translate this in mathematical symbol, it would be equal to 5 minus x. Paano nakuha ang sagot na 5 minus x? Ang clue word natin dito, class, ay yung word na subtracted from. So, ibig sabihin, yung variable x daw ay isasubtract mo dun sa 5. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 5 minus x. Ngayon naman, proceed tayo sa next phrase which is twice the product of 4 and y. So, ang magiging sagot naman natin dito ay 2 times the quantity for y. Ang clue word naman natin dito ay yung word na twice at product. Pag sinabing twice, imumultiply mo by 2. And then yung product, ibig sabihin ang operation na gagamitin ay multiplication. And para sa ating third na phrase, a number n divided by 6. Kung ang sagot mo naman dito ay n over 6 or n divided by 6, tama ang nakuha mong sagot. At para naman sa ating last phrase, a number b increased by 7. Ang clue word naman natin dito ay yung word na increase. Ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin mo na operation ay addition. So, ang magiging sagot ay b plus 7. Take note, class, that your knowledge in translating verbal phrases into mathematical phrases is very necessary in understanding our topic for today, which is solving problems involving rational expressions. At the end of this video, you are going to solve problems involving rational algebraic expressions. And to start, let's have first this scenario entitled, Will the pool be full? So let's read the problem. Suppose you are tasked to organize a pool party for your best friend's birthday. Your other friend suggested that it has to be held in one of the resorts in the city. You decided not to book the event in advance and planned to just come to the resort early to arrange for the pool party on that same day. However, when you came to the resort, you had been informed that the pool was drained and is scheduled to be refilled within the day. One pipe can fill the empty pool in 12 hours and another can fill the empty pool in 18 hours. Suppose both pipes are open at 8 o'clock a.m. and you have scheduled the pool party for your best friend's birthday at 2 p.m. on the same day. Will the pool be filled by 2 p.m.? Elaborate your answer. At what exact time will the pool be filled? Would the situation be different if you have booked for the event ahead of time? What do you think should be the best decision to make? A. Cancel the event. B. Move the schedule later within the day. C. Move the schedule at an earlier time within the day. And D. Wait for the pool to be filled before inviting your friends to come over. And in order for us to solve the problem in the given situation, let's have this step number 1. Read and understand the problem. Identify what is the given and what is being unknown. Choose a variable to represent the unknown number. And for the second step, express the other unknowns if there are any in terms of the variable chosen in step 1. And for our step number 3, write an equation to represent the relationship among the given and the unknowns. And for step 4, solve the equation for the unknown and use the solution to find the quantities being asked. And for the last step, let's check whether our answer is correct. Now, let's try to solve the given problem following the 5 steps that I have presented. In step number 1, let x be the number of hours it will take to fill the pool if both pipes are used. And for the next step, let 1 over x what both pipes can do together to fill the pool. And now we are ready to generate our equation. Using now our knowledge in step 1 and step 2, we have the equation 1 over 12 plus 1 over 18 is equal to 1 over x. 1 over 12 will be the part of what the first pipe can do to fill the pool, while 1 over 18 will be the part of what the second pipe can do to fill the pool. And we have 1 over x will be the part of what both pipes can do together to fill the pool. And to solve now the equation, we have to multiply 36x to 1 over 12 plus 1 over 18 equals 1 over x to get rid of the fraction. Simplifying, we have 36 times 1 over 12 is equal to 3x plus 36x times 1 over 18 equals 2x and 1 over x times 36x is equal to 36. Combining similar terms, we have 3x plus 2x that will be equal to 5x is equal to 36. Dividing both sides now by 5, we have 5x divided by 5, that is x, is equal to 36 divided by 5, that will be 7.2. For our checking, multiply 36 over 5 to the equation 1 over 12 plus 1 over 18, which will be equal to 1. As you can see in the slide class, if we simplify, we have 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 completely filled swimming pool. And since it took 7 hours and 12 minutes in order for the pool to be filled, then will the pool be filled by 2 o'clock p.m.? What will be your answer? Okay, so our answer here is a big no. Because if we're going to count the number of hours from 8 o'clock a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m., that is only 6 hours. Then the waiting time in order for the pool to be filled is 7 hours and 12 minutes. So, it is not possible for the party to start at 2 o'clock p.m. So, the next question is, at what exact time will the pool be filled? So, if both pipes are open at 8 o'clock a.m., then adding 7 hours and 12 minutes, the pool will be completely filled with water at 3:12 p.m. Okay, next. Would the situation be different if you have booked for the event ahead of time? Of course. What do you think should be the best decision to make? Is it A, cancel the event, B, move the schedule later within the day, C, move the schedule at an earlier time within the day, and letter D, wait for the pool to be filled before inviting your friends to come over? Yes, the best decision to make is letter B, move the schedule later within the day. At this point in time, let's try another example. If the same number is added to both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/2, the result is 3/4. Find the number. So I already presented here the following steps in order for you to be guided how to solve the given problem. In here, the equation that was generated is 1 plus x over 2 plus x is equal to 3/4. And to solve for the equation, we just cross multiply since both given on the left side and on the right side are fractions. So if we multiply 4 by 1, that will be equal to 4 plus 4 times x, it will be also equal to 4x. We also do the same on the right side. We have 3 times the quantity 2 plus x. We have 3 times 2, 6, plus 3 times x, that will be 3x. Now, in order to combine similar terms, we're going to transpose positive 3x to the left side and so with positive 4 to the right side. So 3x becomes negative 3x and 4 becomes negative 4. This time, we have now 4x minus 3x is equal to 6 minus 4. Now, to check whether our answer is correct, as you can see in the slide, if we add 2 to both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/2, it will be equal to 3 over 4. Okay, did you understand, class? Very good. This time, you are now ready to answer your activity in this video. In your TLE class, you are asked by your teacher to cook a recipe with the following ingredients. If the same number is added to both numerator and denominator of the amount of cocoa powder used in the recipe, the result is the amount of butter to be used. Find the number. So in here, class, almost the same lang yung given problem na sasagutan nyo dun sa previous na example na binigay ko kanina. Okay? Once na nasagutan nyo na itong activity nyo na ito, don't forget to upload your output in our Google Classroom. So remember, nasa week 3 na tayo. And for your additional activity to do, read lessons on illustrating rectangular coordinate system in Module 6 and illustrating linear equations in two variables in Module 7. And then, try to answer Activity 1, Wow to Gigaraw, and Activity 2, Let's Be Healthy. Yung learning material yung class, makikita din yan sa ating Google Classroom. Same with the weekly home learning plan na kung saan doon yung makikita yung activity na gagawin ninyo, yung Wow to Gigaraw and Let's Be Healthy. I hope you have learned a lot in this video class. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.